A simple secret that can completely transform your skin in just 2 weeks. Did you know that one morning drink could give you a natural glow and make your skin flawless? Don't miss this magical recipe. Welcome to this video. If you've been struggling with dull, tired skin or annoying breakouts, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm sharing a powerful yet easy solution, turmeric water, that can brighten your complexion, clear up blemishes, and give you radiant skin in no time. Stick around because you don't want to miss the step-by-step guide and the science behind how it works. 1. Detoxifies your skin by purging toxins. Turmeric water works as a natural detoxifier for your body, helping to eliminate harmful toxins that can affect your skin's clarity. When you consume turmeric water daily, it enhances liver function by stimulating the production of bile, a substance crucial for digestion and detoxification. A healthy liver means fewer toxins in your bloodstream, reducing the likelihood of breakouts, dull skin, and uneven texture. Moreover, turmeric's antioxidant properties fight oxidative stress caused by environmental pollutants, unhealthy diets, and stress, all of which can harm skin cells. By flushing out these impurities, turmeric water creates a cleaner internal environment, which directly translates to healthier and more radiant skin externally. Regular detoxification also helps control excessive oil production, which is a major contributor to acne. Within 2 weeks of consistent use, you may notice fewer blemishes and a more balanced, hydrated complexion. 2. Reduces skin inflammation and redness. Turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory properties, largely attributed to its active compound curcumin, make it a highly effective solution for soothing irritated skin. If you deal with redness, rosacea, or acne-related inflammation, turmeric water can offer relief. By modulating the activity of inflammatory cytokines in your body, curcumin helps reduce swelling and irritation that often show up as red patches or bumps on your skin. Additionally, it prevents the overproduction of sebum, a primary cause of acne inflammation. Drinking turmeric water daily not only combats active inflammation but also prevents future flare-ups by regulating your skin's immune response. Over time, this contributes to an even and calm skin tone. After 2 weeks of regular consumption, you'll likely observe reduced redness, minimized sensitivity, and a more even complexion that feels calm and refreshed. 3. Boosts natural skin glow. One of turmeric's most celebrated benefits is its ability to enhance the natural radiance of your skin. This is achieved through its unique ability to stimulate circulation and promote a healthy flow of oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. The curcumin in turmeric acts as an antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, which often cause skin damage and dullness. Furthermore, turmeric helps the skin retain its moisture and elasticity, leaving it looking supple and hydrated. Combined with its ability to promote collagen synthesis, turmeric water accelerates the repair of skin tissues, ensuring a brighter, smoother, and plumper appearance over time. In just 2 weeks, you'll notice a significant improvement in the glow and vitality of your skin as it begins to reflect the positive changes happening internally. 4. Fights premature aging and wrinkles. The presence of free radicals and oxidative stress is a key factor in premature aging, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and a loss of skin elasticity. Turmeric water acts as a protective shield against these damaging elements, thanks to its rich concentration of antioxidants. By fighting free radicals, turmeric prevents the breakdown of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for maintaining skin structure and firmness. Moreover, curcumin stimulates the production of new skin cells, helping to repair damage and restore a youthful texture. With consistent intake, turmeric also improves skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines by hydrating your skin from within. After 2 weeks of drinking turmeric water, you can expect your skin to appear firmer, smoother, and more youthful, with visibly reduced signs of aging. 5. Even skin tone and brightens dark spots. Uneven skin tone and dark spots are common concerns for many people, often caused by hyperpigmentation, sun damage, or acne scars. Turmeric's natural lightening properties make it an ideal remedy for addressing these issues. Curcumin inhibits melanin production, which helps to lighten existing pigmentation while preventing new spots from forming. Additionally, turmeric water promotes gentle skin exfoliation from the inside out, gradually fading discoloration and dark spots over time. It also works to improve cell turnover, ensuring your skin continuously renews itself to reveal fresh and even-toned layers. Regular consumption of turmeric water can lead to a gradual yet noticeable improvement in skin brightness. Within 2 weeks, you'll likely see a reduction in hyperpigmentation and an overall more radiant and balanced complexion. How to achieve results in just 2 weeks? 1. Drink turmeric water in the morning. Start your day with a healthy dose of turmeric water. Simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of warm water, squeeze in half a lemon, and stir in a little honey for a better taste. 2. Make it a daily habit. Consistency is key. Drink this mixture every morning for 2 weeks, and you'll begin to notice a significant improvement in your skin's clarity and overall glow. 3. Maintain healthy habits. Support your results by staying hydrated throughout the day and ensuring you get quality sleep. Proper hydration and rest will maximize the benefits of turmeric water for your skin and overall health. For the best results, make sure to use natural turmeric powder and avoid products with chemical additives. Start your turmeric water journey today and let us know how it transforms your skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, effective health tips.